What a lovely green paradise, beautiful water, and picturesque Canadian geese. But the geese are not just scenery. They like your property too, and they're stubborn, territorial, and aggressive. They ravage the grass and leave their calling cards behind. Ugly, disease-laden droppings, including the E. coli bacteria. On average, a new deposit every 7 minutes. That's a pound a day per goose. Besides the mess, they cause millions of dollars worth of damage to turf. You can't harm them because they are protected by law, but you must get rid of those geese. Forget about plastic swans and loud banging machines. They just don't work. But Goose Chase does. Goose Chase is a safe, biodegradable, food-grade product made from a bitter, smelly byproduct of Concord grapes. Goose Chase is easy to use. For large applications, simply add Goose Chase to the tank sprayer. Use a gallon of Goose Chase concentrate per acre, diluted with water. For smaller applications, use any pressurized or handheld sprayer. Once it's dry, Goose Chase won't wash off with rain. Just reapply after mowing to keep your area goose-free all season long. Goose Chase is the most effective, economical way to rid your property of geese and keep them away. You'll be able to enjoy your grass once again, pure, undamaged, pristine, the way it should be. Goose Chase, an effective, economical solution that saves your property and your sanity. Goose Chase from BirdX. For over 35 years, the bird control experts.